Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. This video is number 28 of our review journey. 28 is iri abụọ na asatọ, iri abụọ na asatọ, iri abụọ na asatọ, 28. That is 210 and 8. 210 and 8 mean iri abụọ na asatọ, 28. Onye means who. Onye, who. Gịnị, gịnị, what. What. Gịnị, what. Ọ bụ onye, ọ bụ onye. Who is it? Or who is that? Who is that? Who spoiled my shoe? Who is it? Who is coming? Who is that? Or you can say, who is she? Or who is he? That is, who does she think she is? That is, who is she? Whichever way, all means obonye. Obonye in Igbo language. Obonye. Obogini. Obogini. What is it? What is it? Why are you disturbing me? What is it? Why are you disturbing? What is it? What is that? What are you holding? What is that? So you can say, which is, what is it? Or, what is that? Is obogini. Obogini.